Read it to me.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a puppet cat. I see a red dog. Red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a frog looking at me. Horsey, what do you see? I see a frog looking at me. Froggy frog, what do you see? I see a teacher looking. I see a cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a dog looking at me. Doggy, what do you see? With the book, sheep looking at me. Sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher.
Dinner. And a bed. Walk in the 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 bed.
A bird, and a yellow dog, and a blue horse, and a purple cat, and a white dog, and a purple cat, and a froggy, and a goldfish, a lamb, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Elfie.
Great job.